Hey guys, welcome to my channel all about makeup. So guys, today I'll be transforming myself into a witch. This is the look that I'll be creating. And for more such videos guys, please subscribe to my channel, and if you find the video useful, please like it. And this makeup look can be done for any theater work or for some special effect or for Halloween. Let's start the video now and let's hear what the witch wants to say. Hey guys, I filmed this witch look and I'll be giving you a tutorial for this look. I know I'm looking very terrible, but yeah, I'll be showing how to achieve this look.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. Can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Happy.